All right, we're asked to find the area of this rhombus, and the area formula for a rhombus or a kite is 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. And so let's see if we can figure out what those diagonals are. We've got this length is 9, and this length is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. That's one of the diagonals. And this is 9, and this is 9. That's 18 as well. So we have two diagonals measuring 18. And if it's a rhombus and it's got equal diagonals, what has equal diagonals? Rectangles do. So if it is a rhombus that's also a rectangle, it's a square. Then you can look at it and see if you rotated it at 45 degrees, you would actually have it in the regular position of the square that you know. Anyway, just information to consider. Plug in those numbers. And then when you calculate it out, you get 162. The units were meters, so meters squared. Do we see that answer? We do. Answer B. Nice.